You have finally decided that you want to get your first credit card. How exciting is that? And you're not sure which one to get because of the amount of options there are. I feel you. I was in the exact same boat 2 years ago when I was about to get my very first credit card at the age of 18. Well, to make your life easier, I've gone ahead and made this video on the best 5 credit cards you can get in Australia right now in the year of 2021. Good day guys, it's Slack here, and in this channel I like to talk about personal finance, entrepreneurship and investing. By the end of this video, you'll know which credit card would be the perfect match for yourself. So before we get into the list of those 5 credit cards, you might be wondering, why should you be getting a credit card in the first place? Well, there's quite a few reasons behind that. Number one, by using a credit card, you get rewards for all the spending you do. Basically, all the purchases you make via your debit card, if you convert them into your credit card, you basically get points for that, which then you can use to get free travel, which you can use to claim for different gift vouchers, or you can even use that to buy yourself a business class ticket for absolutely free. And after having your credit card for a longer period of time, you actually end up building a good credit score, which then allows you to take out mortgages and take out loans at pretty solid interest rate. So now let's get straight into the 5 best credit cards you can get right now. Number 1, we've got the American Express, the Essential Credit Card. This credit card comes with quite a few perks. Firstly, there's no annual fee for this credit card whatsoever. And secondly, for all the purchases, you get 55 days of interest-free payments. So basically, you can buy something for today and you don't have to pay it off for next 55 days. After those 55 days, you're looking at a 14.99% interest rate per annum for all your purchases. The good thing about this credit card is you get to collect points on all your purchases. So you get 1.25 points per $1 spent on all your local purchases here in Australia. And lastly, this credit card even comes with smartphone screen protection, meaning that if you ever drop your phone and you break the screen of it, you can actually go ahead and replace the screen for absolutely free, up to $500. But the only catch is you need to have purchased that phone via your American Express Essential Credit Card. Number 2, we've got the American Express Discovery Credit Card. In part of American Express family, this card comes with no annual fee and up to 44 days of interest-free payments on all your purchases. After those 44 days, you're looking at 20.74% per annum interest on all your purchases. The best thing about this credit card is the fact you can collect Qantas frequent flyer points. So you can get up to 0.75 points per $1 spent here on all your local purchases. Another great thing about this credit card is you get refund and purchase protection. And the funniest thing is the American Express Discovery card was my very first credit card as well. At number 3, we've got the Citi Cashback credit card. The best thing about this credit card is you get no annual fee and there's interest-free period up to 55 days. After those 55 days, you're looking at 22.24% interest rate per annum on all your purchases. The only downside about this credit card is the fact it's not part of any rewards program like the American Express cards, but it does have its own perks, such as you get a complimentary wine every time you dine at certain restaurants, which are basically part of Citi's partner restaurant. You also get complimentary purchase cover insurance on all the purchases you make via Citi Cashback card. Number 4, we've got the Coles no annual fee Mastercard. As the name suggests, again, this credit card does not have any annual fee. Secondly, it comes with 55 days of interest-free payment for all the purchases you make by this credit card. After those 55 days, you're looking at 19.99% interest rate per annum. The credit card does come with a complimentary insurance. In terms of point, you're part of the Flybuys program by Coles. You get 1 point for every $2 spent. Number 5, you've got the Bankwest Zero Platinum credit card. This credit card is perfect for anyone who does a lot of international transactions, as this credit card has got 0 annual fee as well as no international transaction fees. You get 55 days of interest-free payments, and after that you're looking at 14.99% interest rate per annum for all your purchases. The only downside of this credit card is the fact it's not part of any rewards program, hence it's at number 5. Well, these were my recommendations on the best credit cards for beginners here in Australia. If you guys found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button. It helps me with growing this YouTube channel and getting this video across to a larger audience. Comment down below if you have any recommendations on any of the credit cards which should have been on the list, or the first credit card you got, or any topics you would like me to make my future videos on. I will be coming up with more such content on personal finance, entrepreneurship and investing. Till then, take care and I'll see you in the next one.